Hello friends, welcome back to Wings Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make potato bites. This is a very delicious snack recipe, very easy and a healthy snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give it a quick mix. Now to this add 1 cup of water and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add 1 cup of rice flour and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 10 minutes and it's completely cool now, so go ahead and add 2 potatoes boiled and mashed. Mix it well. Mix well with your hand to make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Now we have the proper chapati dough consistency. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then roll it to make potato bites shape. Now we have the proper shape. Likewise, make all the potato bites. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the potato bites directly to the oil. Add 10 to 15 bites at a time. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. Then flip it to the other side and again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, it's well fried and golden brown in color, so let's now remove it. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, quarter cup of rice flour, a tablespoon of crushed pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Now we have a smooth dough, so let's go and make the kara save. Today I have taken a murukku maker. To this, fix the attachment with 3 holes. Fill in the dough up to half. Then press a little and check the flow. The flow is smooth, so let's go and fry the kara save. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, make kara save. Let this fry for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in high flame. Now after 2 minutes, both sides are nicely done and crispy, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and crispy kara save is ready. We can serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy this for 2 weeks time. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this kara save at your home for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.